Did you know a single clogged air filter once turned an entire Soviet city into a biological weapon testing ground? April 2nd, 1979, Sverdlovsk was just another quiet morning in the industrial city. Workers headed to factories, children walked to school, families started their day. Then people began dying in ways doctors had never seen before. Victims arrived at hospitals gasping for air, their lungs filling with blood and fluid. Their respiratory systems were literally dissolving from the inside out. The government immediately blamed contaminated meat from the black market, but doctors knew better. This wasn't food poisoning, this was weaponized anthrax. The truth was horrifying. A secret bioweapons facility had released deadly spores into the air. A simple maintenance error, one forgotten filter change, had doomed dozens of innocent people. The anthrax wasn't natural, it was engineered to be more lethal, more resistant to treatment. This accident exposed the Soviet Union's massive biological weapons program and showed the world just how close we always are to man-made catastrophe.